Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to US Bank. Quick guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your log in to your Venmo account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the icon in the top left corner. Select Transfer to Bank from the menu options. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you haven't linked your US bank account yet, tap on Add Bank Account and follow the prompts to link it. After selecting your US bank account, review the transfer details. Tap on Next to proceed. You can choose between an instant transfer or a standard transfer. Select your preferred transfer option. If choosing instant transfer, note that a small fee will apply. For standard transfer, the transfer may take 1 to 3 business days. Confirm the transfer by tapping Transfer or Submit. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is completed. Check your US bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.